Tiny Eye, you right?
What the hell's that?
I got my special vlogging hat on, mate. All special for tonight. Look at that. That's a doozy, isn't it? I mean,
you must be freezing wearing that.
I'll tell you what, we're taking this COVID secure lark a bit.
What?
We're taking this COVID secure calling lark a bit far, aren't we? You don't need the mask on. I'm about 4 miles away from you.
Oh, I'll take it off.
Take it off.
I'll take it off then. Wait.
Oh, yeah. Double secure. I don't know.
Well, especially talking to you. Yeah, I used to go clubbing with you, remember? Yeah.
You never know. So, anyway, right. So, oh, it's like that, is it?
Yeah. Mine's at work. I'm so gutted.
Right. So, what's happening then? Have you been at the workshop lately?
I've been at the workshop. I've been stripped the interior out. I've been stripping understeer.
Yeah, I'm going to jump in here because the last time, and I think if you look at the website, it shows the old Ready Burgundy Mark II or 3 Mini.
No.
But things have changed a bit, haven't they? You've got your hands on something else now, haven't you? Right. So start at the beginning.
And we might be asked to do something.
Confused with what we're doing up now.
Yeah, might be asked to do something with it. So basically, it's a Mini Cooper. 1600, normally aspirated, and we're stripping it down to change it into a Cooper race car to potentially race it in the Cooper Championship, which supports the British touring cars.
Right.
At the moment, we're just building it.
And you're wobbling your head about because what is it now? It's going to be the 1st of February tomorrow. And when does the season start this year?
I think it's in middle of May, end of May. So it's
right.
I'll strip the interior out.
Ambitious.
I'll strip the interior out, and I've been stripping under seal off the inside of it today. You can't strip under seal off the underneath of it, which I normally like to do for weight and everything else to make it look pretty, but the championship rules say you can't strip it underneath, but you can inside. So basically, we're just stripping all the interior out, ready for the roll cage to be fitted.
Right.
And then the roll cage, hopefully pick it up on the 10th of February from Mini UK.
Right.
And then there's obviously a trial fit, get it fitted and everything else. And then that comes out, and then the whole interior of it's painted, and then it's all put in, and then you got extinguishers, then you got to run brake lines through the car. You got to run
Facebook this week then. Of you having a race seat inside it, that was slightly jumping the gun a bit, wasn't it?
Well, no, because you've got to fit it to see where it all fits. You see, with the roll cage, and everything, you build the thing before you paint it and everything else. So it's all built. You get everything right for it. Then you dismantle it, paint it, and then you put it all together. A bit like Binky are doing with theirs.
Yeah.
Obviously, you're not quite on the scale of Binky or the talent of Binky, but here goes.
Yeah, we're better looking.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, all right.
Well, we've got Archie, haven't we?
Well, yeah, exactly. So I guess then the target is to try and run it this year, but with COVID and obviously
it's just a nightmare. I've had a nightmare with personal things as well. The workshop's not how I want it. It's just been a complete nightmare, this COVID thing. It's just popped everything up. Well, obviously now, because we're just talking to each other like this, where we're, you'd be up there, you'd be able to help me paint and doing bits and pieces. And,
make the tea.
Yeah. Because you can paint, apparently.
I might
tell me you can paint.
I might be able to paint. I might be able to spray paint, but we'll see.
I think we're just going to see what happens, really. But that's the first sort of build. And then obviously we've got the motorbike, the Kawasaki that we want to do. So we've got loads to do. And then there's obviously the mini shell, the red, the burgundy mini shell.
Which we were going to try and do for like hill climbing.
Which we wanted to sort of do an homage to the ERA. We're going to try and fit a Renault 5 turbo engine in it and put an ERA kit on it and stuff like that, and rear discs and Metro hubs and discs, four-pot caliper discs on the front. But I'm not quite sure what we've got to jiggle about with it there, because I think there could be issues with that, with steering.
But we've got I mean, as I say, we were meant to have been building something and getting things going 6 months ago, but as we said in the introduction to all of this, it's just not happening at the moment. But there you go. As soon as we can, hopefully by the time we get to the summer, at least, we'll be able to start filming in the workshop and doing some bits. As you know, I have already gone out and interviewed some people.
Yes.
Because we're mentioning about that. And
a very special interview that we did as well.
Yeah, so I've been and seen a guy who's got the Ford Mondeo that Steeder took and did a whole load of work on it and brought it up to a Steeder spec. And then we've got my brother who's got the Harley Davidson, which I've done. We've got a mate of mine, Dave, who's got the CCM bike, which I've done as well.
Very nice.
And we've also obviously interviewed a very good, important guest, which will give you a very brief teaser of now. So I don't know whether you want to say Run VT like they're doing all the TV programs and have the honour of that, and then we'll drop it in.
Run VT.
Right, let's go.
Get yourself up, mate. Come on.
There you are. And why didn't you come? I don't understand that.
I like this car, Paul. I like this bike.
That was a teaser. Now, we're called Minis and Motorbikes because really it's the builds that are Minis and Motorbikes. We're open to other cars. We've filmed other cars. We've done the Steely. We've done, a few other bits and pieces. But if you've got a nice car like a Cobra, Ferrari, a kit car, anything.
Someone letting you know about something, was it?
It's a tax man. We're over. It's off here now. But if you've got a nice motor, I can think of a couple of people who probably got something nice we could film. It's a bit of everything. If you've got something we're interested in all cars, everything, motorbikes. But it's mainly just the builds of the Minis and Motorbikes. So it could be a little bit misleading, but if you've got a nice Ferrari or Lamborghini or let's say kit car, just drop us a line on Facebook or whatever, or website, and you'll be happy for us to come and film it, and we come and film it.
Yeah. Because if anybody's watching this, if you've got a nice car, if you go on our website,
it's just me and you and the dog.
Yeah. If you go on the website, which is the minisandmotorbikes.co.uk, at the bottom of the page there's a contact bit. If you stick your name and your details all in there, it will send me an email. I'll get in touch. We'll come and have a chat. Yeah. And see if we can get you on one of the episodes. So yeah. So and then what happens then? If you've been on one of the episodes, we're doing this little thing called the Fez Club, which I think we've mentioned before. So we dish out Fez hats because I do like, and I just got to point out that I do like my hats. You see, look, I can't even find the front and the back of this one. Hang on, look. You see, look. You see, you got to have a good hat.
Well, you see, there's the trouble. You see, when you got no hair, your head must be Frisian. Sorry.
Is that twice you said that joke now? I don't understand it. I don't get it. But I mean, look at this. Look. I mean, this is for the
Darth Maul, is it?
Yeah, it's a bit like that, isn't
it?
Yeah. Anyway, there you go. So go back to the Fez Club. You get a Fez out and you have your photos taken and all that. And it's all a bit of a giggle and all that sort of thing. And you'll probably, when we go to, because we do like going to the touring cars when you can go, when they allow the crowds in. So you might even see us sitting there watching the touring cars with Fez hats on. And if you do, just come and say hello, because it'd be great to meet people and have a chat. So
Mini might be at one couple of rounds.
Well, we might be, and
Yeah.
do you know what? About between 2 and 3 o'clock, we normally have the old traditional ice cream.
Ice cream.
So you can always join us for an ice cream and get in the ice cream picture as well. So that'd be good. So so there you go. Plenty to contact us about.
Obviously, I've got to lose about 4 stone for then as well, so that's going to be part of everything as well. Like the fitness thing, and see how I'm getting on with that. And
You're keeping that donut out of sight then at the moment, are you? Yeah.
Nuts, did you say?
Yeah, so this is kind of like the best you're going to get out of us at the moment.
Yeah, it's just so disappointing. I'm just so cheesed off of it all, really, because we should have been further ahead than this. But it is what it is, and it's just got to make the best of the bad.
What was you was there this weekend, weren't you? Was you doing something? Well, you sent me a picture saying you got to remove something to get a roll bar.
Yeah, no, it's where the back seats click into when you've got obviously the back seats and they fold down, and then they click back up into it. You have to cut them out to get the roll cage in. So they've been cut out and stripping under seal off, and I'll send you a couple more pictures of the under seal and bits and pieces.
Yeah, right.
It's a pretty fight really inside and save a little bit of weight, but then again you're painting it again, so are you saving any weight? Is it a litre of paint? Is a kilo or something? I don't know. I'm not clever enough. Someone will tell us. You'll all see that we're not clever. We're making up as we go along. These aren't instructional videos. We're going to be asking all sorts.
You haven't got like an idiot's guidebook then to like make Mini to go into the supporting the touring cars. They don't make one like that, do they?
We'll be asking, Binky boys, Quickie and Craig and all that lot, all questions. So and Matt, of course, only Matt. We'll be asking you a lot of questions because there's going to be bits. Because my welding's shit, it really is. So you just all have to bear with us. Heart's in the right place, and we just want to, just have a bit of fun with it, really.
Yeah, and we just do. The only thing is we're just a bit frustrated at the moment because you can't actually get together and do anything. But we'll see what we can, see how we can.
We'll just have to make up for it when we can, sort of thing.
Yeah,
really.
Yeah. All right, mate. All right. Well, that's the Sunday night vlog done.
Yeah,
it's finished. So, all right.
Yeah.
So we'll be in touch soon.
Yeah.
All right. See you, mate.
Yeah. Later. Bye.
Oh, I was going.
Oh.
You're still there?
Well, no, I'll just take the dog out for a walk, and it's raining.
Well, it's pouring rain, mate. You want to make sure you got something on to protect yourself.
Down. Do what?
Oh, love. Hang on a minute. I see. You said you were losing a bit of weight.
Yeah, I see. You want to see me from behind?
Oh, lovely. Right, somewhere to park my bike. Right, I'll
Yes.
need to walk the dog. See you next time, mate.